Here are a couple of dot-peened markings. The depth of these marks is critical in some applications, for example, aviation parts. Too deep and the mark becomes an ingress point for corrosion over time. Too shallow and the marking wears off during the lifetime of the part. The question is, how can you qualify these accurately and efficiently? You can't tell how deep either of these marks are through visual inspection or a fingernail comparison. The area of the mark is too large to sample it with a stylus, and a gel reproduction would be too slow for manufacturing. What you need is a shop floor gauge with a large field of view, large enough to see complete sections of the marking area, and you need precision down to a few microns, say 0.08 of a mil. The 4D InSpec XL is a non-contact 3D defect inspection gauge that can qualify parts in about a second. The 4D InSpec XL has a large field of view, and it takes an accurate measurement of features up to 9 millimeters high or deep. That's about 1/3 of an inch, in about a second. It measures height variations with precision that's plus or minus a couple of microns, or about 0.08 of a mil. The resulting 3D measurements are immediately analyzed according to your pass-fail specifications. With 3D InSpec XL, you can measure almost any materials. Metals, rubber, plastic, machined or 3D printed, and all kinds of structures with depth and height, like rivets, counterbores, welds, flanges, blades, nicks, pits, scratches, corrosion, wear, solder, rods and cylinders, bends and edges, and yes, dot, peen, and scribe marks. Operation is easy. It takes about 20 minutes to learn. The gauge can be used handheld, on a tabletop, or even mounted on a robot. By measuring the actual size, height, and depth of a mark or defect in seconds, you can really qualify more parts. And be assured you made the right decision. Our customers report yield increases of 20 to 40% because they discard fewer parts by measuring right up to the spec. Our first defense aerospace customer said, "Our 3 4D inspects paid for themselves in under a week." Could your yield increase by having fast and accurate qualifying measurements? Contact us for sample measurements of your hard-to-measure parts and increase your yield.